everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful new year. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make southern fried catfish. Very easy recipe, and I'm calling it southern because I'm not using yellow cornmeal. I'm going to be using buttermilk style cornmeal. I'm going to fry them in vegetable oil. I'm going to season with seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm going to season the flour with some Tony's. I have four small thin legs of catfish. My husband doesn't eat catfish. For those of you who are new to my channel, those of you who have been here before, welcome back. Welcome to the channel for the woman who doesn't like to cook, doesn't really know how to cook. I love delicious, easy meals. So this is a great take on a southern catfish recipe. So I have my oil heating in a cast iron skillet. And I just wanted to show you guys the way I like my catfish. I don't like it fried hard. If you do fry it to your desired lightness. I'm going to go ahead and get the camera turned around and get it set up and show you how I season it. Okay, for the catfish, I'm going to start with some seasoning salt. The main thing for fish is just having it seasoned for me. If you're good at seasoning, which I am not, salt and pepper, and it'll still be delicious, but I need extra spices and herbs when I season my food, because like I told you guys, your girl doesn't really care for cooking, but I do like it to be delicious and highly seasoned. I'm going to use some cracked black pepper. You can use regular pepper. I just like it because you can see it. I'm going to season both sides to the fish. I'm going to heat my oil to 350 degrees. I have an oil thermometer, and my oil is already heating up. And this is great with coleslaw, rice. I guess you can make sandwiches. Great with spaghetti. A lot of African Americans eat it with spaghetti. Or hush puppies, however way you like it. Greens, it can be a full meal. I have major size, mac and cheese. You notice I'm not using any extra salt other than the seasoning salt. And it's rather quick. I hope everyone's having, like I said, a great new year. I hope all your blessings are answered. And I hope everyone has good health, and those that are praying for good health, I hope the Lord blesses you with that. Add quite a bit of Tony's to this. And like I said, you can use yellow cornmeal, you can mix it with flour. I'm just using buttermilk cornmeal because it reminds me of old school like that. So I'm using I can't really say it gives it a buttermilk flavor, but buttermilk cornmeal. My grandmother always used. If she didn't use yellow cornmeal. But I'm calling this a southern style fried catfish because I'm not using your traditional yellow cornmeal that people use when they fry fish. Gotta make sure it's heavily coated. For me, it's all about the seasoning. As long as it's seasoned, you can use any kind of seasoning you like. Lemon pepper, Cajun, all Cajun. Like I said, just salt and pepper. Some seasoning, some more. Flour. And you guys know I like to add inspirational quote, upload a controversial joke at the end. If you like these type of videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I am grateful for all my subscribers. I love doing these videos because I honestly do not like to cook, but I like to eat. Okay, let's start frying. And you know your temperature drops as you add your meat to it. So I'm going to try and see if I can get all 4 pieces in at the same time, which may not work. It doesn't appear that's going to work. And like I said, I don't like my fish fried very, very hard. A lot of people do. So I'm really leery when I'm at restaurants when I order it to make sure that it's not fried super hard and crunchy. And these fillets are pretty thin. I apologize. Most of the time you want a really thick piece of catfish, but I did not buy these myself. Those of you that know me know I don't like to shop either. I did a pull-up. I ordered it online and then pulled it up and let them drop it in the trunk. So this is what happens when you do that. You let somebody else pick it out. So I'm just going to fry these until they're nice golden brown on each side. As I said, I have a great joke for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. I try and make it. It's not healthy to be a nurse, I will admit. Most of my recipes are not healthy, but they are delicious. Later in the year, I'm going to come on film, and I'm going to try and show you guys some more healthy versions of food. Since I do teach nutrition, I'm an ER nurse, and I have to always go over stuff like that with diabetics and people with congestive heart failure. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and let these cook for a little while before I turn them over and show you the color that I like for them. Okay, I'm going to turn these over to get a nice brown color. And like I said, I don't like mine very, very hard. If you do, keep frying until they are nice and super crispy. I'm afraid to add that last piece at this point, so I'm going to wait. I like my fish with hot sauce. Some people like tartar sauce. And I prefer French fries and hush puppies with my fish or spaghetti. Another reason I don't fry a lot of fish, I wanted to do this for you guys one time because I mix a lot of grease. And like I said, my husband does not care for fish. The only fish he eats is cod. So if you're looking for a delicious cod recipe, check my videos out. I do have a fried cod recipe, fish recipe for you on that channel, on my channel. Set them in the side so they're nice and brown. Should be able to get this last piece in, barely. Put down on time. Family loves fish. This is another quick, easy meal, and it doesn't have to be catfish. It can be flounder, whiting, whatever type of fish you like. Just make sure, like I said, you season it really, really well. That's the key to fish for me. Make sure that it is seasoned. And my mother can season it with salt and pepper, and it'll be delicious. They're rather thin, so they don't cook very long. And like I said, I don't want mine fried hard at all. So, I was using a spatula, but I switched over to the tongs because it's a little easier. I've got the heat on medium-high heat. Like I said, I use my meat thermometer to make sure it was at 350. That's about as done as I like my fish. So I'm going to start taking them out. Check the other side to show you. Slide this piece over into the middle. That piece can go a little bit longer on the other side. You guys leave me some comments and tell me how you like your fish, what seasonings you like, and how you like to serve it and eat it. Like I said, growing up Catholic, we couldn't eat meat on Fridays. We're supposed to back in the 70s, so we usually had some type of fish or seafood for dinner. And I love fish, all kinds. I'm not a big shrimp lover, but I will eat it. No offense to shrimp. It's just I'd rather have fish. And I didn't start eating catfish until I was well into college. I thought it had a weird taste to it, so I wouldn't eat it back when I was first introduced to it. But now as an adult, I've grown to love catfish. I'm going to go ahead and take this piece out. Go to the underside. It's done. And just let this last piece continue to cook. And I have a great joke for you guys as always. Some of them are a little out there. Some of them are a little crazy. I find them all kind of entertaining, especially the ones that are medical jokes. I get the biggest kick out of those, because that's something I have to deal with every day on a daily basis. And my job is pretty depressing as a nurse, but it does have some joy. That's why I like emergency nursing, and I will never do floor nursing. Because in the ER, we make people feel better when we get them upstairs and get them admitted to feel better. Chronic, doctor's office, internal medicine, you're just managing a bunch of illnesses you can never cure. You just manage them, as I said, and that's no fun for me. You don't see any gratification. You get instant gratification as an ER nurse. If you know anything about that, please leave me a comment below and tell me any of your experiences. Let's look at that one more time. And as you see how quick that was, less than 10 or 15 minutes, and you've got fried fish. But as I said, my pieces are not very thick. And they're not really yellow because I'm using the buttermilk cornmeal. And if you haven't tried buttermilk cornmeal, you might want to give that a try. Gives it a really nice flavor. I'm going to go ahead and take this piece out and get the camera turned around and get ready and show you guys my joke and take some pictures. Here you have it, you guys. Buttermilk crusted cornmeal fried catfish. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe it's a new recipe you might want to try, trying the buttermilk cornmeal. And I think it's super delicious. And like I said, alter the seasonings to your liking and fry them to the desired tenderness. I like mine pretty soft. I don't like them fish hard and crunchy. So I'm going to get ready to tell you guys my joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment, right? And answer each and every comment. Fish is really delicious. Hope you enjoy it, and come back for the next one. Put you guys on pause instead of put my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. A girl in college calls her father after having sex for the first time. She says, "Dad, I have a confession to make. I ain't a virgin anymore." Hearing this, her dad gets furious and shouts, "I worked my ass off to get you into one of the best universities in the state, and you still say ain't?" I thought that was cute. My girlfriend's mom, growing up, I won't say her name, her mother would have a fit if we use that word. She could be hearing from 4 rooms across and 2 down and start yelling, "Ain't, and you're going to college," and blah, 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 blah. So I can really relate to this. But anyway, please give this recipe a try. And as I stated again, I'll state again, please like this video, subscribe and share. More importantly, comment. And hope to see you guys back on the next one. And may you guys, if you don't watch any more of my videos, hope you have a blessed 2025. I hope your health improves if it's bad. I hope everyone in your family is blessed and everyone is prosperous. Love you all. God bless. Thanks for watching.